Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Okay. Mami, medawase say ene yeshia. Na yeshia wa ha no. Ye ni Ghana fo e ba be din komo. Na nokure nso eye ba akopɛ. Se wo ka na wo ho atɔ. Na nokure wo ho ni se ɔman wei ye nyina ye nim. Se Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ni salary increment no obeji no ogino at the end of the 4 years oni ni vice and omusu ntimi nkan kire say at the end of the 4 years no be free akonwura so a they will not get increment of salary well ni
esan enhyehyeye wo ho no
enu na wo ho
MPs ba so obi be ye mampanyi a
yeah
yentuna katuam this are at the end of the term
that is what they have practiced since
okay.
Parliamentarians listen. Parliamentarians wo horses here from bisa omo. Salary a omo nuanu mu gi ye at the end 2020 no. Enu na omo gi sesi a. Enu nti na se omo ba ba firi akonwa no so a abanti committee na omo akotena ase na ya we omo salary na the increment aba na omo agi no kpafu na omo di kofie. It's applicable to the president, the ministers, the vice, and everybody. Nana Dori knows this. It is over dressing person or on personal increment. Is he telling us that at the end of the 4 years, or T committee now, committee no beka say mo ye to salary mo mamuana.
Maybe a son of patch.
And yes, son of patch. Brofo no ka ye nyina ye. We are calling for annual increase in salaries for public sector workers, especially nya aban adwuma no sa onu tum kakra e na influence the private man to also adjust our salary wo nyina ye hwe aban eti na Danko Akufo-Addo be catch Ghana for public sector workers say yen tighten your belt na yen twen a onu ni de na akoye ti say savings amano 4 years time no obeji na oni na busuafo akodi na wo out ho no wo de no be ye den so what you say nukure wo mu ni se oman na hu kira bem mi ni wu kasa sisi ai mi ko fuel station se mi kwa akoto fuel mi feel 300 cedis se akodu 350 Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ni ministers ni wo mu kika ho no they don't buy fuel eti oka che so ntumu ma yen a ye be de ne ye meet ye demands ne ye be de na sika na ye agi ne ye betimi di bi esie ahwe ye nkirima ye be de ne di bi esie u maami yare papa yare a u betimi di bi ayeden ato edurama no sesi a she mi budget mi maami 600 cedis na me di ma na emanta sesi a fuel na kwa akoshemu other things medical bills bi bia ekosoro transportation ye ekosoro onkwala omuko school driver ni obefa omu onyi 300 cedis a month di biom so what you say obepejem ni nyina no is against salary na ejina ho kontin kroro. How can we progress as a country? You are collecting more from the people. Find a very nice way. So the kakra bede edibema omo. That is what we are calling for.
Maybe it's in the pipeline.
Nipana catch yourself ade nya de obetum. Usu is in the pipeline, mami. Mami, ye ka we nyina no. Sena kan ban ebe kati the number of casa ekuta ministers. The V8 ni saloon car ni number of latest edima wo mutu ka obeka say na obeka say matiso half then e be ya Ghana ho be hin na ka wan to salary mu Ghana ni be nyantokwa but they are getting everything free from us then they will come and tell us that they are not going to increase their salary. It's unfair to Ghanaian workers. It's unfair to me. We need to do better. Who dey say untumu a Yatias okay, sikeni ho. We are tightening our belt. Enti wo mi hwe wo no. Mi to na ye de hwe wo no. Wo de u living standard no kutemu se na ye sitie na. Ka what you here. Na mi de de enditorating. At the end of the day, you are breeding corruption. Enu na be ma watchman bi owo baabi ana say account clerk bi owo baabi ni sika ni so tin no. He want to fill the gap. Obe filling the gap at the expense of we Ghanaians because obe we are sika no the edibako yensio, the edibako to vaccine, the edibe ye way, the edibe ye way, the edibe and them in Ukazas is here. Kolebu, account clerk. Oh, ye juma or Kolebu. Wetimia yare, me did not call emergency. Kolebu, me see bed in ho, me dia branch in nam horse ama branch in you. I'm in Ukase workers, you know, as any petition. Edi Akwakoma, the chief executive of Kolebu.
How come a whole accountant?
Account clerk. Oh, Yali hospital, no ye juma ho.
Oh,
Mami.
how?
Eno that is the petition they send. How should that happen?
No, do you blame the president?
It means things are not working. Minu uka say obi wo Kolebu ho service was say you dey improve facilities, you know. Ahu here ni ahu chirenti obi wia eti better na system na arani. So what must here? So these are the hardship we are talking about. When things are happening.
But chairman, was a petition to management to investigate into the death of Mr. Samuel Alot, an account staff at Accident and Orthopedic Sub EMC.
Yes. That is the title. So who they read it, where you see what they are going to investigate. While there was no bed, there was a hospital worker no now. The only they are no honey jan. That's what he has here. Anywhere who feel chili over. Sister, it's very dangerous for us as a country. If we don't reduce the luxurious life that our leadership are living, who could rasi obini office more than football field. More than football field. Not the end of the day, no. Not gonna for ye jume wia. Ne a jitu no. Ne a di akwa koma abain. Na abain penny for to obia rasi so bekwa ko ura bem.
I think say it could be a offense the fault of the nurse who was on duty because after a doctor came to find out no man bed. I think
I too late.
That particular nurse now refuse to in the bed.
No, if the bed, you see, sister, if the bed is available, could you imagine?
Beds are not available. How come the doctor was able to get a bed?
That is the point. It was too late because bed was not available. They have to adjust. So I assuming you, the onu ya juma honu kura no bed inti onya bed in wewu. They just said the bed is not available. That is what we need to admit as a country. So if Kolebu is not getting bed, and we are still living that luxurious life in this country with our leadership there, then my dear sister, we are in a very big ditch as a country. Intermediate, they are fighting for the plight of the ordinary worker. And it is their responsibility. And I want to appeal to the government to listen to them. At least a 5% will do.
Okay.
At least 10% will do. Yes, sir. Sister, Tabusumi drew now show pay slaves. Not 1,000 to 2,000 air. Yes, here they come out buying. Tell what you say. Yeah, no, Uyamun show. Uyamun show. If these things are happening and we are not seeing development, ya kwanye, your schools in Samunya, your hospital in Samunya, then what are we stand to gain from the taxes that we are paying? Because some of them, their condition of service, they have the right. So you are now here now, or no a full plane to an uncle, and you crack on uncle, and ye mean near to 1 year because on the area. And the other now, any year, my Nami Mamia Brewanu Benya. Better healthcare. Me papa benya better healthcare. Me be area ni surgery he can successfully go through a successful surgery. These are the things we are talking about. Oh my no more thing. So
salary increment, salary increment Emma by president advice all the ministers na se for no. Any influence on them public person.
So yan tumwa. No, because how is it here? No, we understand it already. Onu person be 2 die no no the onu example. Example now do no so it doesn't match. Because who salary increments in 4 years. Na you see S gratia bi you working kpofu last time we call ye MPs 450,000 Ghana cedi. Unye bi. Why na ya tu ni salary mo a wanya 200,000 Ghana cedi increment within 4 years da. 50,000 ubenya. nanso wo munya enti mo kan kire say onu antu ni salary mu nti no hwe workers because onu ni de no hwe be obeji. The fact of the matter ni say nipa ho kire no e psychological. This ya me no ka say you be a friend disposable income. Ghana ni bia de aba from. If you say you carpenter de na wewu kura. Uye mason wewu a uji dairy bread. Dako wa nkwa onye bibindi. Wewu me say me hu say me disposable income me depend ato ho ama me hu say ade no awe. Eno no e de ho hia e be bre me. E bi kura po me yare a me ntimi hwe me hu yie because ka me this year me de call hospital no aban agiko. Me ma me yare a me ntimi hwe no because me taxes agibiko. Me near school fees. So the fact of the matter is saban betimi taxes ahodo a ya ba ya nyina ya start ya ye tue yi. So obetimi aboa Ghana for even 5% omo akoma beto omo yem kakra. They can also adjust to live a meaningful life more. And yes ahohiahia de obreba nipa ho ode sote. Nipa ho ode so to e affect productivity. Eti nipa no kwa adwuma kra me kra boso me kra mpo de na me nya. Okwa ehyenitirim ebema productivity ayede aba from. He should adjust this. He's capable of doing it.
That's Chairman Bobby now and Kanama Memra Alfred Thompson.
Utie Oha Echi Pongno Needs FM.